Hello, my name is Dr. Emmanuel Iko. I'm the Medical Director of Twins Clinic and Hospital located in Warri, Delta State, which is a family-owned medical practice that started in 1981 by my parents, late Dr. Mike Iko and Dr. Valentina Iko. As a second-generation owner of a family business, we've been faced with so many challenges, one of which is electricity. Before I came across Earthbond on the internet, I had very big issues with my electricity. We had to spend money buying over 300 liters of diesel every 2 to 3 days in order to service our generating plants. And this was a big toll on us as a business. With the price of diesel and petroleum products more than tripled in the past 2 years, it's ended up affecting our profitability and sustainability as a business. When money meant to buy drugs, pay salaries, and do other services in hospital had been diverted for power generation, it became a big problem paying staff, stocking my supplies in the lab, in my pharmacy, and that was bringing our business to almost a standstill. But when I finally met Earthbond on the internet and I contacted them, they were a different kind of energy company. They started by finding out what were my daily needs in terms of power and how they will come and play a big role in checking our current energy needs. Bearing in mind, we have various equipment with various power ratings. They were quite helpful in helping us understand how alternative energy in terms of solar works and how the solar would bridge the gap in our current energy deficit. During the installation, the engineer Ola was very helpful, and the planned duration of 1 week was they actually cut it short by 2 days, and within 5 days they completed the installation of the solar panels, the inverter, the batteries. So they were quite professional and quite helpful. It was practically seamless. I would like to recommend Earthbond to everyone who is interested in going into alternative energy to save costs and improve their finances.